How to archive old projects in Lovable. So in order to archive your old projects, first head over to lovable.dev and sign into your account. In order to do this, you need to export the project and then potentially remove it from your active workspace. To do it, you can head over right here to your workspace, and then you can see in here that we have these three dots. From in there, you have the option to delete it. So in here, you can either delete it altogether or export it first and then delete it. So first, let's export it. Let's click onto this project right here. And then from in there, click onto this GitHub icon in order to sync this particular project to GitHub. Click onto this right here and make sure to get a copy of this repository. To do so, you can head over and then click onto this code. And then from in there, just download it as a zip file altogether through this part. Download it as a zip. And then head back right here to your Lovable. Head over right here to your actual dashboard. And then you can click onto the settings right here. And then from in there, you can see your project settings. You can actually change its visibility in order to change it. You can choose workspace or personal options. You can also head over and then delete this project altogether through this part. So that's how you archive old projects in Lovable. Hope we helped.